The Supreme Court's recent decisions about health care and contraception, as well as your cell phone privacy, open up some new questions. Among them, will similar issues land back in the court because those initial rulings were too narrow? We asked Fox 17 national correspondent Kristine Frazao to examine what we can expect next from the court.
For most people, mobile phones are so much more than just that, filled with everything from baby videos to bank records. And this year, the Supreme Court decided that while they can be confiscated during an arrest, they may not be searched without a warrant. While the decision closed the door on one question, it left many others opened, says law professor Steve Wormeal.
There will be future cell phone search issues where the officers said there was a greater danger of somebody destroying data on the cell phone, and we felt we needed to do something immediately.
Wormeal says this was an overriding theme of the Supreme Court's term. Make one decision now, but leave room for similar future cases. Another example, the case of the town of Greece versus Galloway, in which the High Court decided prayer in public town meetings in New York State is constitutional, despite a challenge by plaintiffs.
The town of Greece is just like the country. It's religiously diverse, and that is not being accommodated by our town fathers.
Separate church and state!
Another religious ruling, the Hobby Lobby case, has already given rise to dozens of new claims who want to fill the holes. One by a lawyer for Guantanamo Bay detainees to have the right to pray together during Ramadan. Another by religious groups who want to be exempt from having to hire gay men and women who work for the government. And yet another by companies who want clarification about which types of corporations can opt out of the Affordable Care Act.
Another major issue with a lot of unanswered questions, campaign finance. If money is now speech and speech is free, the court will likely have to clarify in the next few terms just how far that freedom can go.
I think most observers believe that this is kind of a slow march to saying that there really shouldn't be any limits on campaign contributions at all.
This time around, it's the unanswered questions and a lot of similar cases that may set the stage for the future.
I'm Kristine Frazao, Fox 17 News.
The High Court this term issued decisions on 75 cases. The new term begins in early October.